Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Two more questions. And the questions are: there are those three, just one question. Calculate the mass in grams of A, 0.02 moles of chlorine atoms, B, 0.6 moles of aluminum atoms, and C, 8 moles of sulfur. Therefore, calculate the mass. Therefore, remember again, we are using the relationship that the mass is given by molar mass multiplied by the number of moles. The molar mass is divided by the number of moles. The number of moles is given by mass divided by the molar mass. Therefore, ensure that you don't forget that. In our next lesson, we will be discussing the relationship between the relative molecular mass and the mole. Relationship between the relative molecular mass and the mole. See you in the next lesson.